Girls. Girls. What? Oh. Sis, wake up. Oh my God, stop hitting me. Whoa. Do you girls like it? This is our new home. This place is amazing. Come on, sis. Come on, I'm coming. You girls be careful. Oh, who am I kidding? Oh. Hello there, Huntress. Oh, hi there, Delgado. Hey, where's our dad? He's out scouting around. Oh, okay, thanks. Wonder what's gonna happen to those two. Oh. Let's go check out this river. Whoa. This water's perfect. Let me see up the river. Wow, this place is beautiful. And the water actually tastes great. Make sure this water's okay. Yeah, it's just fine. It's good water. Ooh. Oh. Now I'm all wet. Great. This is perfect. Perfect for our pack. Everything's clean and safe. I should head back now, but just want to see a little bit more, just to make sure it's 1,000% safe. Not smelling any signs of trouble. Don't smell any other packs. I think we're good. I should head back now. They didn't see us. Which is perfect, because our pride is just that way. This is perfect. This is the perfect place to live. Nothing could possibly go wrong. Now we simply overthrow those stupid wolves, and this whole paradise belongs to us. I cannot wait. I kind of want to go down there. Dude, no, please stop. Ah! Crap. It's to make ourselves present, you idiot. I couldn't help myself. Too bad. Get back up there. We don't want to leave our scent around here. How do we cover it up now? It's easy, just some mud. Ugh, I hate getting my paws dirty. Gross. There. That should work. Now let's go, all right? Fine. Wait for me, Andres! Whoa! Whoa! Look at this place. It's already so amazing. Everything smells fresh. There's so many new smells, so many new sights. Oh! We gotta go check out that river. What if it... Fine. Who are you kidding? You know you want to go check it out. I guess. Just be careful. I don't know what's down there. Place is so... Oh my gosh, look at it. Come on. Wow. Nice. Come on. Come down. Come on. Okay, I'm coming. Wow, this place is really cool. Should we be this far away? We're not even that far. We're like a minute away. You got a point there. I mean, we are like a minute away. Oh, look at that water. It just looks perfect. I just want to go swimming. Geronimo! Come on in, the water feels awesome. Are you sure? Will you have some fun? Fine. Is it deep? No, not at all. Okay. Whew. Wow, that does feel good. Wow, this is the way a wolf should be living. Agreed. You don't think there's anything in this water, do you? Probably some fish, but I don't think there's anything else. Yeah, you probably got a point. Whoa, look at that way out there. There's fish everywhere. Wish I could swim way out there.
Yeah, but all this green stuff is in the way. That's the algae. And besides, we can't swim that far. Yeah, you got a point there. All I know is that this feels amazing. I wonder what else is out there. I don't really want to find out. How about we explore some more of this place? Come on. Ooh, somebody's getting adventurous. Finally. Whoa. Come on, let's go. Somebody's finally having fun. Ow. Too far? I thought you were getting adventurous. Just come on. Alright. Ew, this stuff's all squishy. 'Cause it's mud, doofus. Don't call me that. I'm smarter than you anyways. Yeah, in your dreams. Come on. Stop going so far. We don't know what's down here still. I think my eyes are bigger than my stomach. I think I got a little too excited. Let's go, come on. Whoa, look at that place over there.
Look at that cave. Looks so dark and spooky. I'm gonna go in it.
Heck no. Come on, let's just go. Fine.
Wow, isn't this wonderful? Shh, focus, look. There's 2 of those little bratty wolf pups.
Dude, what do we do?
Do we get to kill them? We might as well take them out. Come on. Yes!
He told you it was gonna be fun. I guess I'm having some fun. What's wrong? I smell something. Arctic, be very, very still. Trust me. Those little ones, they smell us, but they know. We can see them. Time to strike Tom. Now. What the fuck? I told you this was a bad idea. Come on, let's go bring them hostage. No, we're gonna eat them. We're gonna kill them. What? Come on. Get him! What do you think I'm doing, you idiot? Run! This isn't the way to the pack. Get them. I'm stuck on a branch. Help! Okay. Whoa! Where did they go? I don't know. This is just great. Just come on. Huntress, where are you? Huntress! Oh my god. Wake up, please, wake up. Where are we? Huntress, are you okay? Ow, I think I hit my head on something. Where are we? Arctic? It's so dark in here. I don't know what's going on. This is scary. It's so dark. We gotta find our way out of here. Which way did we even come? I can't smell where we came from. I'm sorry. Neither can I. Are we lost? I think so. What are we gonna do? Maybe if we just stay here, Mom and Dad will come look for us, and they'll smell us. But I don't even know where we are, and I haven't the faintest smell of them, of anybody. Who are those cats? I don't know, but all I know is that I'm scared and we have to find somewhere to hide. We don't know what's out here. You got a point. Come on. I'm not following you. Why? You got us into nothing but trouble. I say we go that way. That way's towards the water. Exactly. If we go towards the water, then we can go up the river and we can find where we were, okay? Looks like it's getting dark. Just because of all the trees, you idiot. Hey, stop calling me the idiot. You're the only idiot here. You're the reason we're here. I knew I should have just stayed home when I had the chance. But no, you wanted to go exploring. Okay, I guess you're right. It is my fault. I'm sorry. I'm sorry we got us into this. But I'm going to get us out. Fine, we'll go your way. I need to take a rest. My head hurts. Come on, let's sleep in this little hole. Arctic? Yeah, little sis? Are we gonna be okay?
We're gonna be okay. I know we will. I promise. We'll be okay.